Dr. Velo, what are you doing?
Mr. Fall, what's going on? What do you mean, what am I doing? Just having a little soda.
Well, I mean, carbs are the enemy, you know.
Oh, I know, and all the sugar and everything, but it's so good. I mean, you can't buy water. What are we supposed to do?
I think maybe we could distill it.
All right, we'll distill it. Make it happen.
So, Dr. Velo, what do you got over here?
All right, so since I can't have the Coca-Cola, Mr. Fall suggested we distill it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to add the Coca-Cola to this funnel, which is going to kind of put it in this round bottom flask. And then we're just going to heat it up, and then we're going to capitalize on the idea that this mixture has got a bunch of different things in it with all different boiling points. And so the idea is we heat it up. This is a condenser. It is going to, so we're going to heat this up. It's going to change into steam or whatever. It's going to change into a gas. It's going to come through this condenser. Condenser is going to change it back into a liquid, and we're going to collect it in this receiving flask. And the goal is whatever has the lowest temperature, lowest boiling point, which is going to be the most volatile liquid, will come off first. We'll collect that, and it should come off in fractions. It's not going to be perfect, but it will allow me to not drink this soda and eventually just collect water.
All right, thank you. All right, so we can see here is we have some fairly vigorous bubbling, which means we've got some liquid converting into the vapor phase. And you can see some of that is condensing here at the top of this round bottom flask, but much of that vapor is making it up into this condenser head and then coming down this condenser tube. And you can see the vapor liquefying, and you're going to see that these drops will eventually collect right here. Oh, we got the first one there in that receiving flask. So we took Coca-Cola, which is a mixture of a lot of different things, but a lot of water, and we're separating the water physically from the rest of the mixture. So here we'll have that fine, pure H2O that Dr. Vela can drink and still feel good.